Hello everyone, this is my second video of demo task and I am going to deploy a website using Apache. So let's dive into it. So firstly we have to go in the directory of yum server, which is etc/yum.repos.d. So we are in the directory. So let's create a local file which named yum.repo. So here we need to create a entry file. So let's create a entry. So first we will give the server name inside the square bracket, then the name of the installer, then the base URL of the location in which our packages are stored. So let's just copy the URL where our Redhat ISO mounted. So it says on run media root RHEL8. So let's just copy it. So just type here file :/ run media root. So let's just enable it, and we have to just GPG check 0 because we don't want encryption. So let's check the our first file that we created is working or not. So yes, it's working fine. Let's just create another file for the base OS. For this I'm gonna copy my first repo and make changes into it. So just we have to change the server file name 122 and the app name called base OS, and little changes on the base URL, which is here is the app stream, so we need to change it on base OS. So let's just save it and let's check it's working or not. So yeah, it's working. Now we are gonna install the Apache server using the yum server. So let's install it. I used -y for -y for the yes. So it didn't ask for yes or no. So yes, it's installed, and let's check if it's installed it correctly or not. Okay, so it's installed but it's inactive. So let's just activate by restarting the service. Okay, so let's see it's working or not. Okay, finally, so it's working. Let's create our Apache. Let's deploy our Apache site. So let's go into the configuration file, which is in var www.html. So I already just created an index.html file. You can use any source code of HTML. So let's I'm gonna deploy my website. So okay, so let's go. Now we have to make a configuration file. Okay, so let's create that configuration file. So first of all, we need to create virtual host, and then our IP address. So let's check our IP address by ifconfig. So yes, our IP address is 16.149. Okay, now we have to give the server admin. You can just type here any names like my site or site1. Then you have to give the document root, which is available in var slash www.html. That our index file is here, and let's give our IP address on the name of server. So it's our IP address, and just close the virtual host entry and just simply save it. So then we have to close our virtual host and just save it. Let's restart our Apache server. So let's check how where it's working or not. So let's check it on Firefox. Okay, http 192.168.16.149. Let's check it. Okay, so it's working fine, and it's working. Thank you so much.